your eyes, take a look at me. Get the picture fixed in your memory. I'm driven by the rhythm like the beat of a heart, and I won't stop until I start to stand out. To stand out. Some people settle for the typical thing, living all their lives waiting in the wings. It ain't a question of if, just a matter of time before I move to the front of the line. Once you're watching every move that I make, you gotta believe that I got what it takes to stand out above the crowd. Even if I gotta shout out loud, tomorrow is the only face that you see. Gonna stand out so you notice me. The sticky wheels always getting the grease. I'm totally devoted to disturbing the peace, and I'll do it all again when I get it done, until I become your number one. No method to the madness and no means of escape. Gonna break every rule or bend them all out of shape. It ain't a question of how, just a matter of when. You get the message that I'm trying to send. I'm under a spell, I'm in over my head, and you know I'm going all of the way to the end. To stand out above the crowd, even if I gotta shout out loud. Tomorrow is the only face that you see. Gonna stand out till you notice me. If I could make you stop and take a look at me instead of just, there's nothing that I wouldn't do if it was getting you to notice. All I need is half a chance, or second thought, a second glance will prove I got whatever it takes. It's a piece of cake to stand out above the crowd, even if I gotta shout out loud. Tomorrow is the only face you'll see. Gonna stand out, hey, stand out, yeah, 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 stand out. Tomorrow is the only face you'll see. Gonna stand out till you notice me.